In this quick guide, let me show you how you can add websites to the favorites on your Mac computer. So if we open up the web browser, which is going to be Safari right now, you can see that I have like a random website open, right? Let's say it's Google or I don't know, apple.com. Whatever, right? You can see that this is how I can add it to my favorites. So what I do right now is that I click on the share button in the top right corner of the Safari window like this, and it's gonna expand with these options. So I can share it over all of the different apps, but I can as well add it to the bookmarks and to the reading list and so on. So that's how you can essentially add it and save it for later, right? So if I click the add bookmark to, I can decide that it's going to be part of the favorites or literally any other folder which I have available. So of course we want to add it to the favorites, so I'm going to keep it described as Apple. Click on add, and it is now part of my Apple, the favorites really, right? So if I go to the new tab on a Safari, you can see that I can click on edit and make the favorites appear like this, and these are my favorites. I can show them all, and I can even manage them in here, right, and so on, and I can delete those which I don't really need anymore, right? So that's how you can control it. And there is also the Apple, which is newly added. So again, you open up the website, click on a share, add a bookmark to, and choose the favorites to be the folder. So I hope it helps. That's what I wanted to explain and show you. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.